Yo, bro. Yeah, you're supposed to use the wax paper when you touch the rolls.
No fucking wax paper. Who the fuck are you?
I'm roll patrol, dude. No, but seriously, you're supposed to use the wax paper, and you're sniffing them, and then you're touching them, and you're putting them back. They smell like shit. Look, just do me a favor. Just pick up the ones you touched and buy them, because I don't know where your dick beater's been. You know what I mean? Listen, cuz pick them the fuck up and put them in your bag, or I'm gonna even you up.
I ain't gonna even shit up.
I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna even you the fuck up.
All right.
I'm not kidding. Pick them up. It's disgusting.
I know. My bad.
Use the wax paper next time.